Good morning. Today, Saturday morning, May 2nd, there is a car show that I'm going to with my square body, Greg's Restorations. It's happening in Barre, Massachusetts. I'm a little bit later than I wanted to get up and leave my house, but, starts at 7 o'clock in the morning and runs till, 2 or 3 or something like that. But I'm trying to get there early at the beginning, and I'm trying to leave by around 12 or 12:30. I did all the work to get my truck ready last night, which for me, all the work basically means I had to wax my hood because that was all dull and chalky, and I had to put tire shine on my tires.
Tank half full, back road, bruise that engine bull. Sun on the hood, it cuts like glass. White walls humming through the county grass. Got a grease-stained shirt and a coffee ring. One hand loose on the wheel, let the whole rig sing. Passing barns in the billboard rust, headed for the fairground, kicking up dust. Hear that idle, meaning low, cranky motor ready to go. I don't want clean, I want loud, I want the whole damn lane to shake out. Chrome on gravel, shiny paint and a rumbling devil. Hot rods lined up, rat rods snarling. Chrome on gravel, we keep on rolling. Chrome on gravel, broken, brutal, beautiful metal. Cranky motors, let them roll. At the car show, we want it all. Candy apple red with a mile-long shine. Melted sun on a chopped roof line. Then there's a rat rod, bare boned and brown. Pipes like thunder calling out loud.
So I'm here at the show, and as you can tell, it's raining pretty hard out. I'm a little disappointed because I tried to show up as early as I possibly could. I got here at 20 minutes after 7 this morning, and I'm like one of 8 cars right now. The cool thing was I was the first registrant, so my registration is actually number 1, which is cool. I registered in the 60 to 89, I think, pickup class, something like that. Right next to me, there's a sick dually from Nevada, which I'm sure was bought in Nevada, driven out here, and is probably just not registered in Mass, even though the guy probably lives here. And then next to that, there's kind of a ratty, 74, 75, 76 square body that's pretty beat up, but the guy's working on it. And then down a little bit further, there's a guy with an 86 K2500 that is unrestored. He's the original owner. It has 77,000 miles on it, 6.2 diesel, really clean truck. And he registered in the unrestored class. I mean, again, I'm hoping more people show up. It's raining. I know a lot of people don't like coming when it's raining out. I just enjoy the show and hope that more people show up, because while 8 or 10 cars is a car show, it's not a good car show. And this one is usually really good.
Shake out. Chrome on gravel, shiny paint and a rumbling devil. Hot rods lined up, rat rods snarling. Chrome on gravel, we keep on rolling. Chrome on gravel, broken, brutal, beautiful metal. Cranky motors, let them roll. At the car show, we want it all. Let the valve train cry, let the headers glow. One more pass in the dust, then we let it go. Flakes in the sun, rust in the frame. Different kinds of thunder, same kind of flame. Chrome on gravel, shiny paint and a rumbling devil. Hot rods lined up, rat rods snarling. Chrome on gravel, we keep on rolling. Chrome on gravel, broken, brutal, beautiful metal. Cranky motors, let them roll. sitting low and mean, chrome on the bumper, shining like a dream. You can meet me by the diner when the work day's done. Got my best pals riding, and we're out for fun. Rev it up, baby, hear that engine cry. We're burning down the boulevard with the moon up high. Hot rod ride, hot rod ride. We're rolling side by side. Hot rod ride. Got my friends in a clear blue sky. Hot rod ride, hot rod ride. Now watch us fly. Buddy got a coupe with a rumble and a grin. Mary's in the backseat laughing in the wind. We stop by the malt shop, grab a root beer float. Then it's back to the blacktop, let that puppy float. Rev it up, baby, hear that engine cry. Burning down the boulevard with the moon up high. Hot rod ride, hot rod ride. We're rolling side by side. Hot rod ride, hot rod ride. Got my friends in a clear blue sky. Hot rod ride, hot rod ride. Now watch us fly. When the town goes quiet, we ain't going home. One more lap for the fellas down the stretch of chrome. Hot rod ride, hot rod ride. We're rolling side by side. Hot rod ride, hot rod ride. Got my friends in a clear blue sky. Hot rod ride, hot rod ride. Now watch us fly.
Overall, the show was actually really good. I think there was probably about 85 or 90 cars that ended up showing up, and even though I didn't win a trophy or anything or any door prizes or raffles, I still had a lot of fun. The show itself usually has a lot more people than that, but as you saw in the video, it was raining pretty hard most of my ride there, and it actually rained pretty hard most of my ride home as well. But it was a good time. No incidents. The people there were really nice as usual. I mean, car shows, usually the people are pretty good. So let's go ahead and do a wrap up of this video, and we'll end it out for today. Well, made it back home. Overall, the show was pretty good. I hope you enjoy the footage from it because I had a lot of fun taking it. It was basically... it started out really terrible because it rained for the first, I don't know, hour that I was there. I got there just after 7, like 7:20, 7:30. Rained till about 8:30, but after that it started clearing up. Bunch of cars came. There was a bunch of cool stuff there, a couple other square bodies. I parked next to the guy with that blue dually. That thing was awesome. He buys and sells them. I guess he's got a whole bunch of square bodies. So overall, it was a pretty good show. It was my first like real show of the year. When I registered, my truck was number 1. I was the first guy to actually walk up and register. Didn't win any trophies or anything, but I didn't really expect to. I had a lot of fun. So hope you enjoyed the footage from today. And if you guys like these car show things, I don't go to too many car shows in a year. Mostly I go to a cruise night at a local ice cream place on Friday nights. It's usually the same people that show up. So if you guys want to see that some night, I'll take some footage there and post it too. But thanks for watching another edition of Cranky Motorsports on this rainy, dreary day. But I'm back in the old stable. Got to park the truck in the garage, and then I got a play to go to because my son's doing a play today. So have a great day. Keep tractoring, keep trucking. God bless.